back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to be talking all about makeup. We are getting creative and doing something super duper fun. But before we get started, I wanted to thank the Online Makeup Academy for allowing me to bring you all this video and take the Advanced Artist Makeup course. So the Online Makeup Academy is based out of New York City and it launched in 2015. So basically the Online Makeup Academy is a website that pretty much gives you an opportunity to become a certified makeup artist in the comfort of your own home, anywhere, everywhere. It does not matter. The Online Makeup Academy offers several different makeup courses and programs, you guys. So if you want to become a master makeup artist, an advanced makeup artist, and even if you want to become a hairstylist or specialize in special effects makeup, they also have that as well. The course that I'm taking is the Advanced Makeup Artist course, and this course pretty much covers all different skin types, all different skin tones, different ethnicities, different face shapes, face textures, skin textures, pretty much all of that. So in this course, you'll pretty much learn the basics of makeup as well as some advanced techniques as well. This course, you guys, and the Online Makeup Academy literally has it all. So in the Advanced Makeup Artist course, you'll learn things such as branding yourself, how to start, how to find jobs, how to get deep into the industry, marketing. You'll learn about business cards, websites, different techniques, different skin tones. You will also learn about hygiene, which is very, very important when becoming a makeup artist, you guys. You'll learn about sanitization, how to wash and care for your makeup as well as your products based on the COVID-19 guidelines, all of that. Ultimately, my favorite part about this course and just the Makeup Academy online in general is that you get to become a certified makeup artist at home in the comfort of your own home, you guys. You can take these courses and watch these courses from anywhere, anytime. It does not even matter, and you can pretty much work at your own pace. And I do also love that they allow you to have full access to their website and to the course that you actually purchase for a lifetime. And I also do love that they stay updated on their website and on their courses, you guys. So just in case new makeup trends come out and things like that, you'll always be in the know. Becoming a makeup artist and trying to figure out where to start, trying to brand yourself, learning new techniques, all of that can be extremely stressful, but I love that the Online Makeup Academy does provide a lifetime mentorship. So that means you get mentorship for a lifetime. This is definitely an investment, you guys, and it's definitely worth it, especially with all the great perks that the Online Makeup Academy offers. Even after you graduate and receive your certificate, you'll still get post-graduation support. So you can still interact with your instructors. You can still, get help or find mentorship, like I said, and that support that you'll need to pretty much carry you out to start your makeup artist journey. So no matter where you live in this world, how old you are, the Makeup Academy accepts all students, you guys. It does not matter about your education. It does not matter about your age, honey, and don't let anybody tell you. You can become a certified makeup artist. So whether you are a beginner, an inspiring makeup artist, or a professional makeup artist that simply just wants to obtain a makeup certification, the Online Makeup Academy shows you how to be professional and a standout MUA. I am super excited, you guys, and I cannot wait until I finish off this course so that I can actually receive my certification, you guys. It's super exciting. It's like taking makeup to a whole nother level, and it's also, in my books, another degree, okay, which I am totally here for. One of my favorite makeup looks or period or era makeup looks from the Advanced Makeup Artist course had to be the Twiggy makeup look. I love the blue, I love the big eye makeup look, I love the mascara. I love everything about it, you guys. I also really did enjoy the pinup look. I love a good wing liner with a red lip. It is a classic, you guys. So the look that I actually created in today's video is a creative makeup look. So I used the tips, tricks, and knowledge that I've learned from the course to actually create this makeup look for you guys in today's video. And I'm also going to be taking pictures so that I can show my instructor this makeup look, and they can pretty much critique me and give me more tips and tricks and see my my work of what I've actually done based on what I've learned from the course. You guys know I always say when it comes to makeup, there are no rules when it comes to makeup, you guys. Love and do what you do, honey. Like, there are no rules. You make it what you want to make it to be. It can be as dramatic or it can be as simple as you want it to be, because at the end of the day, you can literally wash it off, okay? It's really not that serious. You can literally wash it off your face. Makeup is meant to be fun. It's I love makeup. Y'all already know. Enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and jump into me creating this makeup look. So the palette that I'm going in with in today's video is this BH Cosmetics palette. This palette is trendy in Tokyo and it has some really beautiful shades in this palette. You guys are going to see me use this palette a whole lot here on my channel because it's springtime, summer's around the corner, and I love to play with colors. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a yellow look. So I'm going to be using these two yellows right here. And the first shade I'm actually going in with is this Tempera shade. And this shade right here is really not going to give much color, but I'm really just using it kind of like as a transition and kind of as a base. So normally I would go in with like a brown or a neutral transition, but since I want this look to be like a full on like color makeup look, I want it to be super soft, super pigmented, and really blown out. As you guys can see, that shade gave a little bit of color, not much at all, but just a tiny hint of yellow. So the next shade I'm going in is Karaoke, and this is what it looks like. It's just a little bit deeper and also a little bit brighter. And now I'm just going in with this Morphe brush. This is the M167 brush, and I'm using the same shade. I'm just really making sure that I pack it all over my lid because I do want it to be a little bit more pigment than what it's looking like right now. For primer, I'm going to be using this one from Smashbox. Smashbox is a brand that can be used with their Pro Card benefits. So you can get up to 40% off of this brand with your Pro Card. So this one is just a photo finish minimizing pores one. So basically I'm going to focus it in this area right here, which is pretty much where my skin gets oily and also where I have enlarged pores. For my foundation, I am using my infamous L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. And L'Oreal is also a brand that's a part of their Pro Card benefits as well. So for my concealer, I'm using this one from NYX, and NYX is also a part of their Pro Card benefits. This one is the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and this is a super mattifying concealer, which I love. So in today's video, I want to say that the makeup look is very colorful, but very matte and simple as well. Hopefully that goes together. So I'm just applying this underneath the eyes, and I'm not going too crazy. I only did one layer of foundation because I really want the focus to really be like on the color in this makeup look, and not necessarily the face. I mean, I want the face, like the foundation, everything to look nice and beautiful too, as always, but I really want the focus to be the color in this makeup look. And to set the under eyes and my forehead, I'm going to be using this Derma Blend powder, and this one's in the shade Cool Beige. And then I'm taking a little bit of this soft focus powder from Black Radiance to just pretty much set the rest of my face. So now we're jumping back into the eyes. So I just applied some lashes off camera. I want to go ahead and do a little bit of tight lining just with some black liner. I feel like the Makeup Academy did also teach me how important tight lining is, and just to make sure everything is nice and blended and dark, You definitely don't want to have this look what I have going on. You can clearly see the yellow eyeshadow on my natural lashes sitting on top of the faux lashes. So you definitely don't want that. So I'm going to also apply some liner on top just to kind of help better hide the lash band. I'm also going to go in with a little bit of mascara just to kind of help blend the falsies with my natural lashes, just to make sure everything is nice blended in black. So I'm jumping into this Profusions palette, and I want to take this super beautiful, as you guys can see I already put a little bit on there, lavender purple shade. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's so pretty. So I'm just taking this shade, and it's called Sky, and I'm just gonna kind of smoke it out amongst my lash line. I love it. Like, it really just kind of woke up my eyes and made them look so much bigger. So I am going to go ahead and take a little bit of mascara and apply it to my lash line, my lower lash line. So now for my lips, I am going in with two different lip options. I have a lipstick from NYX. This is in the shade Violent Smoke, and this was part of their Suede Matte collection. And then I also have a Wet n Wild lipstick. This is in the shade Rose the Matter. So I think I'm going to start with this one. So I am going for like a beautiful bubblegum pink kind of lip. And this is kind of like the same shade. It just kind of has like more of a blue based smoky undertone. I think the name is perfect, Violet Smoke. And to just help things blend a little bit better, I'm going to take this NYX pencil in Downtown Beauty. And then I'm taking a little bit of gloss, and this is just a NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Angel Food Cake. That is perfect. And you guys know I am such a fan of like a dark lip liner with a light lip. But because we're going for a creative makeup look, I definitely want it to really stand out and really to be kind of dramatic. And for my blush, I'm using this one from NYX, and this is in the shade Citrine Rose. So I definitely want to go a little bit lighter with the blush, but I think if I continue to build this one up, it will kind of give me the look I'm going for. And as you guys can see, we're not using any bronzer, we're not using any highlighter, any of that. I'm not snatching the nose. I simply just want this makeup to look super loud and magazine-like, okay, colorful, all of that. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So I do think I want to do one more thing, which is adding a little bit of glitter, kind of creating like a cut crease. So to do that, I'm just using this Urban Decay Heavy Metal eyeliner in the shade Midnight Cowboy. It's this beautiful gold glitter. It's gonna be so pretty, y'all. Oh my god, it's so much color. The nails, I'm loving it. Like, I am living for this look, you guys. Period. So this is pretty much it, the final makeup, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope my instructors enjoy it when I upload my photos as much as I enjoy creating this makeup look. Of course, this is something totally out of the norm for me, you guys, but creative makeup look is supposed to be different. It's supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be exactly what you make it. And that's the thing that I love most about makeup in general, as well as the Online Makeup Academy. I feel like my biggest takeaways is simply to just find your niche, find your style, and don't worry about what any other makeup artist is doing. Do you, sis, and the right people and clientele will definitely find you. I hope you guys check out my description bar below. I will have all the details and everything you guys need to know about the Online Makeup Academy, as well as that direct link to their website. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and as always, if you enjoyed it, give me a big thumbs up before you head out. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.